Here we go, Emily and boys and girls, weekly test.
Yeah, it's 11:15 now. Yeah. Jeffrey, it's
Oh, live voice? Hey!
I don't have.
An alarm tones.
Jeffrey,
Hey!
knock it off. I'm done it now, be careful.
Hey,
You make it.
listen.
Jeffrey, that's enough. You don't talk. You don't talk like that.
Test of the warning alarm system.
Hey, live voice. Oh,
15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, Doniphan, counties of northeast Kansas, and Holt and Atchison counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. This hazard weather outlook is
I think they want,
Just like the rest of us.
I think they want like $20 for it, $25 for it.
I already gave them to her.
and there you have it.
Yes.
This is last us tonight.
Why not big pictures?
I did take a
Are you
video
trying to braid your hair, Emily?
of the required weekly test.
Pamela?
And this,
Oh, that's pretty good. You're doing good.
my
Trying to braid her own hair, yeah?
Yeah, look at her. Look at her.
Yeah.
She's doing a good job.
Yeah, she
and
is.
she's only 7.
Yeah.
Almost. Yeah, 7. She's 7.
My
She's
very
braiding her hair.
first back to live voice.
You might want to. Is that what you want to have your mom do? But you know what? You could put your hair back like this, and then put a ponytail up here, rubber band here, and then do your braid in the back when you have a braid.
You're doing good, but you're doing too close.
All right.
As an actual braid.
Oh, she's trying.
But I mean, if she was looking at it, then maybe she'd be doing it.
That was my second live voice on the National Weather Service
You know what
at
else?
11:15.
My hair was past my bottom.
See, there it is.
why does your
Advisory.
office? Why not your office?
Like,
It's because the weather
yeah.
radio go off.
Which grandma? Your mom? Oh, his mom.
Why you got two rooms? Why you got two of them?
We got 2 Midland WR120 and the DAS EZ.
Why you got two of them? Why you got two of them?
Taking your stuff.
Why you got two of them? Why?
Taking your stuff like you're supposed to.
Why are women lights up? Why you got two lights up? Why are these lights up?
So long.
It says required weekly test.
What does this one taste?
Still require weekly test.
What does this one taste?
And a few days later, my mom and I
Require weekly test.
cut my hair from
Require weekly test.
short.
They're always like that?
Yes.
Never again.
What that one taste? What does it taste?
They're plugging into the weather radios. Like all weather radios.
Take a picture of
Down
them.
here, just short like a boy.
Give me a picture of them.
My mom was.
So that was the end. Dallas' first weekly test with the live voice.
Me?
Yeah,
First argument ever.
I will wreak havoc.
with at 11:15 a.m.
Give me a picture of me.
With so that being said, thank you, Dallas, for showing the National Weather Service the required weekly test of the emergency alert system, right? With so that being said, say it in the video. Say that's it. Say bye on the camera.
Yeah.